Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much once again for joining me on a cruise in Netherlands and Belgium. We're still in Belgium today, and it's raining and it's windy and it's cold. But the place where I want to take you will make you to completely ignore the bad weather. Bruges, a city with an impressive history, a kind of beauty which is hard to describe. Doesn't matter how many photos you will take, how many videos you will make, you need to go to Bruges to see with your own eyes this beautiful city. Now, a piece of advice: before you step into Bruges, delete and create space in your mobile phone, because you will take so many photos. Every building, every street, every corner has its own history and its own beauty, and it's a photo opportunity every second during a walking tour in Bruges. If you have time, I would suggest you to take a tour on a boat on the canals. Bruges, it's another Venice of the North, if you want, and you'll have a completely different angle to look at the beauty of the city. And of course, mandatory is to try the waffles. It was the first time, by the way, when I have waffles on a stick. I saw a shop where you can eat waffles covered in gold. You need to try the famous Belgian mussels and the famous French fries. I don't know why we call them French fries, because they were invented in Bruges. Are you ready? Let's go to Bruges. tomorrow we'll return to the Netherlands in a place where I will give you a break from history, architecture and culture. Tomorrow we'll talk about food. I'm Leonard Miron. You've been watching Still Life with Tulips and Windmills. Thank you very much for watching and see you tomorrow.